What's good, YouTube? We're back again, and this time we're going to be printing surron parts with a 3D printer. Alright guys, so right here, I just imported everything from my computer right here. And as you can see, we have one primary belt and then a second primary belt. Alright, I'm going to cue a time lapse of both of the different belt covers. Alright guys, these things finally printed and they actually look really nice. I really like how this one turned out. I don't know if it's gonna fit though because of the bolt placement, so we're gonna have to see on that one. But this one right here, you guys know, it's very recognizable. It's just fully 3D printed and it glows in the dark. Both of these do. So now you guys are gonna see them on my brother's bike or on a regular surron. Alright guys, it's that time. We're gonna put these brand new 3D printed glow in the dark primary covers over my brother's guard. It should just place right there. And I actually think it looks pretty good right here. We're gonna try the other one obviously, but we're gonna see how it is. Alright, we just finished installing it. I think it looks really nice. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? I think it looks pretty nice. Alright guys, my bike is now on our little makeshift stand, and we're going to be installing a shift lock. Alright guys, we just finished installing the shift lock. It actually looks super nice on the bike. Now we're going to go on a ride. Alright everybody, we just pulled out of the house. The cover is on his bike and it actually doesn't look bad. As you can see, he is currently wheeling. The street is closed. This is a closed course, by the way. You know, just a lot of people live on it. You know, just normal things. Dang, the creek is really low. So what are we gonna do here?
Yo, it's fuel. Oh no, come here.
Turn off and on.
Yo, what?
Fuel. Look at that.
In the concrete's crazy.
In the concrete. That's cool. But what are we gonna do here?
We're going up.
Going up. Going up what? Throw it up. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Nice. Look at him climb. Shirtless and everything. Dedicated. Dedicated man right there. I'm gonna climb with one hand up this. Oh. Was that a phone number? Might low-key wanna call that. Ugh. One hand. Ugh. This is the hardest part. Oh. You did it! Yay! On a coconut. Kick it. All the way down. Oh, they're gonna keep going? It's pretty far, it's pretty far. POV coming down. One-handed. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm low-key kind of sketched out now because I'm not even moving and I'm moving. I'm doing this all one-handed.
Get a show POV up. Toss it.
Oh. Why did this turn all the soft sand, dude? Alright guys, remember what I said in the last video? This jump was poorly engineered? This proves it. Poorly engineered. Like, everybody cased it, just fell apart immediately. That's why you guys need to know how to build jumps.
Yeah, hop on the bike.
Nah.
Sorry, you're gonna have to get off the bike.
I'm good.
Hands.
Oh, hey.
Hands.
Is that even shooting my bike?
He's coming out.
Did that even work?
Yeah, sort of. Not really right now.
Oh, yeah, you did shoot me.
Put your head down.
I'm max throttle. This guy thinks I can catch up with him. All right, after reviewing our shift lock, it is really good for wheeling, as probably a lot of you guys know. So I'm gonna be keeping that on my bike. As with the 3D print right here that I printed for my brother, it's really good. It is not hot, it is not melting, it's not doing anything. It did not break, and we jumped a lot today. So that is actually really good. All right, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace. What's up, YouTube? Today we're riding. My bike's not on, hold on.
Oh.
Hold on. This is embarrassing. Hold on. Move your bike. My bike is moved. What's up, YouTube? Wow. Was that a good intro? That was such a good intro.